you want to maximize your business profit in a way that feels effortless, you're going to want to listen up. I've been a CPA for nearly 20 years, and one thing that I do differently than most CPAs is I pay attention to the accounting information systems. I just looked at a set of books for one of my personal friends that wanted me to have a second glance because he didn't really understand his numbers. And when I looked at the books, I could tell why. Whoever had done the books, he had hired a CPA firm, had done their accounting 100% via journal entries. Now, whether or not his books are correct isn't the point. The whole point of having an accounting information system like QuickBooks and all of these financial systems working together is so that you understand what drives your money. And so what I do with my clients is, one, we use QuickBooks correctly. And if they're using any additional systems in addition to QuickBooks, we look at that information. If that information is more detailed, I can bring that into my analysis. And knowing their business structure, knowing what their goals are, and then using this detailed information, we can get super specific about our strategy, about how we're going to maximize profits. For example, I'm working with a client who didn't realize what it was costing him to fulfill his services using contractors. And so he now understands that he needs to increase his prices or not use contractors and fulfill more of his services himself if he wants to raise his profit in the short term while he works on the long-term strategy on what does his business look in 3 to 5 years, where he doesn't actually have to be fulfilling his services. And so that's what working with a true accountant really looks like. That's what working with a true fractional CFO really looks like. It's not you're just getting these reports out of QuickBooks and then looking over a profit and loss and having somebody tell you to turn off some of your software subscriptions. No, we are looking at what your business is doing, what it costs to fulfill your orders, and how we drive that revenue up without also increasing costs. And if that sounds like something you need in your life, I am accepting clients for onboarding. So you know where to find me up there, and book a call and we'll have a discussion.